should you buy the 97mm street wheel from Evolve? And basically, in my opinion, my answer is no. But wait. Before you click off this video, all you fans of Evolve, and start smashing that dislike button, let me explain my reasons why for that. But before that, if you like honest, unbiased reviews, hey, smash that like button one time for us. Let's get into my review of the 97mm Evolve street wheels. Overall, the 97mm 76A durometer street wheel from Evolve is a really nice performing wheel. Its core is slightly off center, which is what you want from an electric longboard perspective, and it easily rolls over large cracks, stones, branches, tram tracks, and a wide range of terrain. It's actually quite comfortable to ride. Also, it's quite a nice, predictable, easy sliding wheel if you want to slide your electric skateboard. So now we move on to the quality. Let's get into the nitty gritty of the Evolve street wheel, and quality is where it really starts to let me down, to, if I'm being 100% honest. It's not that I hate Evolve or anything like that. I love Evolve as a brand. I'm very happy with my Carbon GTR, but the street wheels have, they leave a lot to be desired for me personally. Hey, drop down in the comments below your experience, and make sure you put the color, and what happened with the wheel, whether you were happy, because there are many people which are very happy with this street wheel, but I'm not, so I'm going to get straight into the quality. One thing which I didn't like, I don't know if the camera will pick it up there, it should hopefully, if you look at the molding around the core, it is very rough, and you can see there's even bubbles around that one. Hopefully the camera will pick it up, you'll see the little bubbles in there, and the molding leaves a lot to be desired. The overall finish of it, to be honest, isn't great for a $180 Australian set of wheels. One of the big things I noticed, the way it was machined or finished, I'll put up some B-roll so you can see that. It's like if you know a car tire, it's like out of balance, and basically it led to me thinking that I may have had belt issues or motor issues on my board, and it causes a kind of shuddering. Whether this is when it's put on a lathe and finished, or the molding wasn't put level when the urethane was setting, I'm not quite sure, but definitely is noticeable, which led me to thinking I was having problems with my board, so not a great thing. Now let's talk about the big elephant in the room, which is chipping, and this is not like the first time Evolve have had problems with the urethane formula and chipping. I'm not saying this is because of the formula, you guys can draw your own conclusions. I kind of think it may be, and we'll get into that. I've had my board for probably just over a month now, just under a month or on a month, and already there, if you look at that, you can see chipping. Now you can say this is a bad batch of urethane, maybe I've got a bad batch of wheels got through, but I've got a friend's wheel there, and these have actually been worn down by a mill. He had these for quite a while, and he had to actually replace these wheels because of chipping there. Now you can still ride with chipped wheels, but again, how good is the urethane formula? This may be because of a few reasons. I've got yellow wheels, and I've also noticed in Evolve groups and that seems to be the black ones seem to chip the worst. Now my mate, he actually got a pair of the glow-in-the-dark wheels, or a set of the glow-in-the-dark wheels, and these don't seem to chip. I know people with orange wheels, they don't seem to chip, and also the purple I've never seen chip. So it could be down to the color in the urethane causing the formula to not be right. So yeah, take it with a grain of salt. There's a lot of people who like Evolve street wheels. I'm only going by my opinion of it, and chipping still seems to be a common problem. Full disclosure, I rode over a small gravel path, not very much, but at the same time a person on a Wellgo did, no chipping on their wheels, and somebody with a set of BOA wheels. If you're familiar with e-boarding, you'll know BOA wheels, and no chipping. So I mean, what conclusion would you guys draw on from this? Drop it down in the comments, let me know your experiences with them, because I'd really like to hear that. Yeah, really regret getting the yellow now. I purposely didn't get the black because of this chipping issue. I'll put up some b-roll, or I would have already shown some b-roll on the chipping, and also what I've noticed in these black ones there, again, you've got the air bubbles. Evolve, what's happening? You market yourself as a premium brand by your own words, yet I would say my experience with your street wheels is far from premium. Hey, as I said, I still love Evolve as a brand. The carbon fiber finish on my carbon Jeep GTR is second to none. The finish of the carbon fiber, it is very well made. But yeah, the street wheels, I'm not a fan. Hey, so what's my conclusion? Evolve, I still love you. You're a great brand, but hey, I personally can't recommend these wheels based on my experience. I think you've really got to go back to the drawing board, hit that manufacturer up, and really look at your urethane formula and why some colors are chipping and others aren't. So yeah, from here I'm going to probably try I'm going to try other wheels and see how we go. Really keen to try some BOAs, but hard to get at the moment, but I'll go any other brands. Hey, if you know any other brands I should try, drop them in the comments below and I'll have a look at them and check them out. So keen to try some other street wheels, and hopefully I don't get the same chipping problem and bad quality. So yeah, wherever you're going in life, this is Eskate Shane. Remember, whatever you're doing in life, always remember to carve and flow.